Good day, everyone. I want to use this opportunity to thank the CEO of Classic Care Services for her time and making provision of the class and the sections. I must confess, since I started the section with her, I've learned a lot. I've really learned a lot from the sections. And with all I've learned, I know I can do my best. I know I can start up laundry services and I can push up on the laundry business with everything I've learned from the different sessions I've had with her. Pray may God continue to bless you, move you higher. And if you're interested in starting a laundry business and you want to know more about fabrics, you want to know more about chemicals and stain removals, just do well and contact her. You can reach her on our social media page, Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram at Classic Care Services. So you can get in touch with her and start up your section with her. Thank you very much and God bless you.